Hello, everybody. Welcome to Kirti's Learning Factory again. Today, we are going to learn um, the sum of factors, okay? Sum of factors of any number n, number of factors of any number n. But this we have already learned in the previous video. So, we are going to learn it with certain conditions. Okay? So, if there are certain conditions which are imposed, then how do you go about? Say, one of the most common things that just keeps getting asked is the sum of even factors, okay, and the sum of obviously then odd factors, right? So let's take a number, say 60. Let's first write it in its standard form. तो क्या बनेगा ये? 2 into 30. And I'm doing all these steps because I want you guys to see how I'm breaking it down. So 60 is nothing but 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 1 into 5 raised to the power 1. Now, if we are to write the sum of all the factors, yeah, what would that be? That would be 2 raised to the power 0 plus 2 raised to the power 1 plus 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 0 plus 3 raised to the power 1 into 5 raised to the power 0 plus 5 raised to the power 1, like how we learned in the previous video. So I'm not going to explain the logic behind it. You can go to the previous one and see कि ये कैसे निकाला, ठीक है ना? बट नेट एल्गोरिदम यही है कि जिस भी प्राइम फैक्टर का जितना भी पावर है, वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0 एंड वी विल कीप एडिंग टू द मैक्सिमम पावर, है ना? वही किया हमने. नाउ व्हेन यू लुक एट इट, any number that gets multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1 2 raised to the power 2, it is going to be an even number. तो बड़ा सिंपल है ना. If we are to find out sum of even factors, so we will simply then remove 2 raised to the power 0. That's all. We will remove 2 raised to the power 0 and we will keep it as 2 raised to the power 1 plus 2 raised to the power 2, 3 raised to the power 0, 3 raised to the power 1, 5 raised to the power 0 and 5 raised to the power 1. Now, abhi kya hoga ki when you multiply, all the factors are going to be even. Why? Because all the factors, all the इसको खोलने के बाद जो भी टर्म्स बनेगा, या तो उसमें 2 रेज टू द पावर 1 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा या उसमें 2 रेज टू द पावर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई, तो वो इवन नंबर ही बनेगा. देयरफॉर जो भी सम आएगा फैक्टर्स का वो इवन, करेक्ट, जो सारे हैं वो इवन फैक्टर्स रहेंगे एंड देयरफॉर it will be the sum of even factors. So all we need to do is take out 2 raised to the power 0 because iska value hai 1, and this, when this 1 gets multiplied by 3 raised to the power 0 and then consequently yahan pe bhi sare odd prime factors hain aur unka power hai, so idhar ka result 0, odd number hi aayega when we multiply with 2 raised to the power 0. So the idea is that if you have to find out the sum of even factors, simply take out 2 raised to the power 0. Now, number of even factors agar karna hai, using the same logic, this is sum of even factors. So basically, kitna term hai yahan pe? 2 terms, correct? Yahan kitna term ho raha hai? 2 term. Yahan kitna term ho raha hai? 2 term. So 2 दूनी 4 दूनी 8. Number of even factors will be 8. As simple as that. Odd, अब जब टोटल मालूम है, इवन मालूम है, ऑड भी मालूम है. ऑड का सम कैसे निकालेंगे? सेम चीज पे देख लेते हैं एक बार. लेट्स सी, 60 था ना, 60. So 60 is 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 1 into 5 raised to the power 1. Right, that is that. Now sum of odd factors. So sum of odd factors क्या होगा? पहले फिर से लिख लें पूरा या छोड़ दे, डायरेक्ट करते हैं, डायरेक्ट ही करते हैं. 2 raised to the power 0, correct, into 3 raised to the power 0 plus 3 raised to the power 1 into, तो जो वहां से हटाया था इवन, 5 raised to the power 0 plus 5 raised to the power 1, ये आ गया sum of odd factors. Number of odd factors क्या हो जाएगा? 1, ठीक है, into 2 बराबर 4. दूसरा तरीका यह है कि आप you find out the overall sum of factors and then उसमें से you subtract the sum of even factors. That also is a way. So these are the two ways in which you can find it. अब इसमें एक और सवाल बन सकता है. For instance, they can say कि in the number 60, how many factors are there which are also which are divided by say 10, ठीक है. So 60 के अब बड़ा सिंपल है इसमें कि whatever factors need to be divided by 10, they compulsorily need to have 5 raised to the power n into 5 raised to the power 1 or higher or 2 raised to the power 1. इतना तो उसमें compulsory रहना ही रहना है. If this is happening, then yes. So then again it's very simple, right? What we do is that we remove total, हम लोग लिखेंगे 2 raised to the power 0 plus 2 raised to the power 1 plus 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 into, plus 3 raised to the power 0 into 5 raised to the power 0 plus 5 raised to the power. यह है overall sum of all the factors, ठीक है ना, sum of all the factors. अभी आप देखिए कि 10 से divide होना है ना, so we need at least one, इसमें से एक तो चाहिए ही चाहिए as a factor और दूसरा 5 raised to the power 1 चाहिए ही चाहिए. So basically it will become 2 raised to the power 1 into 2 raised to the power 2 into 2 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power 1. इसको जब आप multiply करेंगे तो you will get all the factors, sum of all the factors which are divided by 10. Number of all such factors again, यहाँ पे 3 term है, यहाँ 1 term है, तो 3 into 1 is 3. हम लोग खुद देख लेते हैं. How many factors of 60 is divided by 10? 60 is 1, 30 is another, and then 10 is another. Correct? ये जो 3 factors हैं, 60, 30 and 10, these are the 3 factors which are all divisible by 10. Correct? And there are 3 such factors. So that is the way to approach sum of factors, number of factors when conditions are applied. I hope it was simple enough, and I hope that you liked it. And if you did, keep coming back for other interesting stuff. Keep learning and enjoy maths. Take care. Bye.